Today we are wrapping 33. What color is this wrap, Keaton?
It's green, it's blue.
Which one was it? Okay, what's the color code? Is what I'm saying.
Here. Here, go down here. Down here's your color code.
Okay, let's see.
Gloss sky blue.
Gloss sky blue. He's gonna do a 50-50 wrap. This side is gonna be that color. This side's gonna be bare. It's going to a drift event this weekend, the 30th, the Marion County Fairgrounds. He's gonna promote Spider Graphix and their wrapping. He's gonna leave this side the way it is, just to show the power of a wrap, before, after type thing. There it is. It's all stripped down for a wrap, so that's why it looks ugly.
This is his car. We can't find it. There's not
Freaking trunk of this thing.
Film on this wrap there.
It helps with that scratch.
Get some heat on it. Now what's that do?
If you're doing this in time lapse, it's gonna look like I nailed this on 2 seconds.
And this
Come up.
comes up like so.
You're holding it up and squeezing.
Yeah.
Oh boy, punches right through it. God damn it. That was one of the most frustrating wraps.
That would make
That's a
him.
minor wrap.
That would make a man cry.
Bro.
Also, I never thought I would see baby blue as a preference on one of your cars, but I like
You
it.
don't know me then. Wow, I've been waiting for it. This is my favorite color for my whole life. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I know that because North Carolina, I don't know sports, but you know.
I don't know North Carolina, but I do like.
Isn't that their color?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was always a North Carolina fan just because
Do you want me to cut this in the middle since that's where I wanted to rip?
how's it going over here? That's a little bit detailed, eh? Looks sweet though.
That was the one that I messed up.
That's sweet. Dang, that looks good.
It does.
Yeah, we're good. So we got most of the wrap on right now. It's looking pretty good. 2.5 half paint. The other half wrapped. It's looking pretty minty though. Just have a little bit more left and she'll be good to go. Been at it. It's only about 8:30. Only about 8:30, and I've only been at it with about 3 people for about 3 hours, so we're getting her gone. We're wrapping a car tonight, pal. Alright guys, it's 10:56. Everyone has left me. We've been putting in work on the car, and just wanted to show you an update. It's looking super good. So obviously here's the typical side. We have got this wrapped. We got our split right up the top, breaking the two between the wrap and the sanded down body. Gotta love it. It's looking good up top. But yeah, we've got almost the whole side on. I mean, I guess we do have the side on. We're just tidying up a few things. Really just have the trunk and the skirt and the front bumper. So I'm gonna stay and put in a little bit more work, and we'll see how we can get this thing done. Probably tomorrow midday, hopefully, but we'll see. We'll keep you guys updated.
What are we doing right now?
Just getting
Oh, you're getting some nasty milk? Give me a peel. Give me a good peel. Oh, yeah. Freaking nut, dude. That freaking blue up there. That is sweet.
Alright guys, well, we got the wrap done. We are ecstatic about it. Definitely want to show you guys. We got it done a day and a half before the show, so we put in work. I was working on it till about 1 a.m. last night, but we got it done, so I think we ought to show you guys. So this is obviously the side that we didn't wrap yet. Looking pretty rad. Still sweet looking. Just needs a little bit of love, but then we gave this other side a little bit of love, and she is looking good. Check that out. Super happy with how it turned out. Cut right up the middle. Turned out really good. Gonna definitely stand out. It's gonna be the only car there like this, that's for sure. Shout out to the homie Mitch. in Australia. He's the homie. Obviously Spider Graphix making it happen here. That's what we do. Happy with how it turned out though, so stay tuned for some show coverage in the next few days. We'll get some video of it at the show and update you guys on how people like it. I mean, it should stand out pretty good.